The following video is rated PG-13, which may contain themes and scenes unsuitable for those under 13.
Uncle Terrence, look, it's snowing outside. Isn't it amazing?
Why are you not wearing a coat? You're gonna freeze out here.
You're gonna tell I'm a furry animal. I don't need a coat. I can run around the snow whenever I want. I'll be fine, trust me.
Oh, well, that makes sense. Well, would you look at that? Talk about happy families.
Oh hey mate, how come you're not out in the snow?
Oh, I'm just waiting for Chuck. I have been texting him, but there's no word from him.
Maybe he must have gone skiing all by himself.
I don't know about that. He must be doing something else. Oh, well, let him have fun.
Blue, what happened? What's with the rush?
We're in a big emergency. Guys, Chuck is missing.
What are you talking about? Chuck is not missing. He's out skiing.
I'm serious. Chuck is gone. I kept ringing him, but he never called. This was the note that was left on the ground. Just read it.
What the hell? What's this? Yellow bird has been taken care of.
Oh, God, no. They...
What do you mean my son has been kidnapped? Is this true?
We're not too sure about that. All we know so far is that Blue found a note on the ground while she was about to return home, and it's sec. Chuck Bird has been taken care of.
Gosh, that's scary. Wait, is Chuck dead?
Of course he's not dead. It's just the bad piggies that brainwashed him, so I'm highly sure they kidnapped him.
That's nonsense. Those gangster pigs have got nothing to do with this.
Are you sure about that?
Could you please stop with the racket? I'm trying to sleep.
Chuck's been kidnapped, Penny.
What? How? Do you know where he is?
How would I know? Chuck said that he was going out to party on his own, but he lied.
I'm calling the police. Hopefully there's something.
Where are you? Why didn't you answer our calls?
Sorry, Chuck can't be on the phone right now. I'm using his phone.
Where's Chuck? What did you do to him? Did you kidnap him?
What are you talking about? I didn't do anything to him.
Don't lie to us, you stupid fat pig. We know it was you who took my husband away. What kind of sick man are you?
Oh, please. It's not my fault that we made Chuck disappear. If you want to find out exactly what happened to him, just call Stefano.
Stefano. Who is he? Why do we have to call him?
Just call him. Call him and you'll soon know why.
Hi Catalan. It was about time we had a chat.
All right, Stefano. I want some answers. Tell me what you did to my friend. Where is Chuck?
That is none of your business. Did you not read out the note? Chuck has already been taken care of. You can serve him.
So it was you who kidnapped my friend. Why did you have to do it? He's done nothing to you.
Of course he didst.
Then why? Why did you have to threaten us with that note in the first place? Did you...
Hand over the phone, Paul. I can take it from here. Stefano, I know you got my son, and I know where you hid him. Tell me where he is.
Oh, Mr. Bird. This is a lovely surprise.
Stop messing with my head. Tell me where my son is, or I'm going to kill you.
Oh, you wouldn't dare to do that. Well, guess what? I am not afraid of you. Because I do wait for IT targets to take down your family, and I can guarantee that you will not get away with it.
What's the deal? What are the options and conditions?
I know that your property in your life is Chuck, of course, but he will soon take away your happy memories. You give me your son, and in return ULL gets the money.
You want me to exchange my son for money? What the hell is wrong with you?
If you tell the police, you will never see your son alive again. You got that? Just give MEHES stuff and the money's all yours.
Too late. Penny already called them. There's no way you would ever get away with it.
Oh, you sneaky piece of filth. You dare let them interfere? Well, let me tell you what you will be most afraid about. You will soon say goodbye to Chucky Bird, forever.
Please, no. You can't do this. You can't kill my husband. We'll do anything. Just don't hurt him.
CRY and big all you want. Chuck would already be dead if the police get here. Goodbye.
Stefano, no. Don't you dare hang up that phone. Damn it. What are we going to do now?
Unfortunately, we don't know much about Chuck at the moment, but we are trying our best to find the clues and pieces of the puzzle and find out exactly where Chuck is. We'll keep you posted.
Thank you, officer. Please hurry. Hi, guys. What's up?
Aha. That's him. The creep himself.
Wait, what's going on? Did I do something wrong?
Did you kidnap my son? Are you involved with this?
That's not true. I was never involved with this. You were working with Stefano all along, don't you? Or has your mother kidnapped Chuck? No, I don't think so. Because we all know that you and Lydia D teamed up with Stefano to try to have Chuck killed. Wait, you guys, let me explain. Look, whatever you're accusing me of, I did not kidnap Chuck, and my mother and I especially did not work with Stefano. I don't even know the guy. I swear, I have nothing to do with all that.
Then give us a hint. Tell us where Chuck is.
Okay, so apparently this is Stefano's house. Axel said that this is where Chuck is held. Cap to you.
If this is a trick, Axel is a dead kid.
We have to go inside.
Wait! That's dangerous. I heard that Stefano has installed alarms in the building, and we would be attacked if we try to break in.
You know what? Stuff it. I'm going to take the risk.
No! Wait, what have you done?
Gotcha. You have no rights to TRY to break into my house.
Where's Chuck? Is he in here?
That is none of your concern. Back off now, or I'll shoot.
Give it up, Stefano. There's nothing you could do. Give it up.
You heard him. The police are already on their way. It's over.
Not when I say it's over.
Stefano, if you've done anything to my brother.
Teen what? What are you gonna do about it?
Police! Drop the weapon right now. Hands in the air. Stefano Gibbs, I'm placing you under arrest for kidnap. You have the right to remain silent, but anything you do say will be used as evidence against you.
Okay, so the police managed to arrest Stefano, but when they got into his house, Chuck wasn't there.
This is ridiculous. Stefano is arrested, but still no sign of Chuck. When is this nightmare ever gonna end?
I'm starting to lose my patience here. Where exactly is Chuck anyway?
Hey guys, I'm home. What? Why are you all looking at me like that?
Chuck, I cannot believe it. You're alive. I was worried about you.
Worried? About what? What's with the fearing?
Panic over Chuck is home, bye.
Where the hell have you been? We thought you got kidnapped.
What are you talking about? I was never kidnapped. The whole thing was just a scare all along. I was out skiing with my mates. That's all.
See? I was right. I told you that Chuck went skiing.
Well, at least we understand now. We're so relieved that you're all right.
Yeah, but I forgot to tell you that I have a TikTok account now, though I barely have any followers or likes.
Wait, how come?
Well, most of my videos are cringe, and not many people appreciate my work. But there is just one video that everyone got cringed about.
But which one was it?
Just watch the video.
Oh, you uncultured.
You know we belong together. You and I forever and ever. Until the end of time. I'm yours and you are mine. to stay forever. Closer